Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to create a fake wound on your hand with liquid latex. So I'm just starting off by doing one thin layer so it blends into the skin, and then I go in and create a very thick layer in the middle of where the wound is going to be, just to help create that pulled back skin effect. This is how it looks freshly applied, and then this is how it looks once this first layer is dry. Now I'm just going to go in while the thick layer is still tacky and use the end of my brush to kind of create a gap and opening in the liquid latex. So now that it's kind of how I want it, I'll stop and let it dry more. This is how it looks completely dry. It's a little bit yellowy, so I go in with a concealer to make it look more skin-like, and then blend it out. Having more coverage on the inside where the cut is going to be, blending it out to where just my natural skin is. So I actually set it with powder. I find this actually does make a difference, and I just lightly dust it off. Any loose powder that's translucent or your skin color will work fine. Here I'm just using a black eyeshadow to create depth just in the center of the wound. And to apply it, I use the back tail of my brush, and then I blend it out with the fluffy side. Here I'm going in with a matte red, make sure the eyeshadows are matte, and this just creates more depth, I guess. It makes it seem like it actually is painful. So I'm actually blending it out and being a little bit messier to make it look like the wound is open, the skin's more irritated. I'm also concentrating on putting the red eyeshadow right where the opening is, on the outside of the skin. Here I'm just going in with scab blood. This dries to look like a scab, and I'm focusing this on only the inside and a little bit of where like the skin folds would come out. And then here I'm taking the fluffy side of my brush again to blend it out. Now for the gel blood, I apply this really carefully on the inside of the wound, and then I just messily make sure that it's on the outside, because if it was a real wound, blood would get everywhere and be messy. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!